Hi, this is a tutorial of the VMware Workstation, and today is day 2. I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 7 on VMware Workstation Pro version 15. Okay, so now let's get started. I open the VMware Workstation, install on my PC, and this is the main layout of the tool, and the current version I'm using is the VMware Workstation 15 Pro version. Okay, click on File and New Virtual Machine. Yeah, and here we have two options. The first one is typical, and the second one is custom. And basically, we should select the typical option for easier setup the window on my PC. Yeah, okay. So here you have to prepare the ISO file of the window. Yeah. And here I have the ISO file of Windows 7, and after I browse to the ISO file, it will display the Windows 7 64 is detected. Okay. On this screen, you have to provide the Windows product key, select the Windows version you want to be installed on the PC, provide the personal window. Password, this one is optional. You can leave it blank. Next. Here. So here, if you don't have the license ready to enter, you can click on the Yes button and do it later. Enter the virtual machine name. I will leave it by default. The next one, you have to specify the disk capacity. Okay, it will be on the capacity of the current disk on the Windows PC, so it will suggest the maximum disk size for this virtual machine. We have two options, single and multiple. I select the single one. Custom hardware. Okay, so here you are able to custom the software as the hardware for the virtual machine. You can increase the memory RAM for this PC. Also the processor for the PC. Okay. You can change the location of the ISO file, the network, the USB, and blah blah here. Click on close button to finish. It will take some time to create the VMware machine on the local disk. Okay, and after the Windows 7 virtual machine created, so it will start. Okay, you click on the full screen button to view it in the full screen mode. Okay, starting window, and it will take some time to copy the file from the ISO file to the VMware on the local PC, and after that it will take the installation. Okay, and basically when you install the window from the ISO file, it will look like the same when you install it from the this on or DVD or CD. Okay, so here you can see the display in screen. It is very small. Okay, we can click on the scale and keep displaying aspect ratio to make it bigger. But here the display in screen is still not full, so I will fix it later on after we finish installation of Windows 7. Okay. Because by default, when you install the Windows on the VMware, it does not support for displaying the full screen mode. It will take some time to install some update. Finished. Okay. If you restart your PC, Okay, and this is the default desktop of the Windows 7. And the last step, you have to select the location for the network, because the current PC is hosting the VMware tool using the internet connection. So by default, it will automatically ask you how to do the configuration for the location of the current network in the virtual machine. Okay. Okay, so here the installation of the Windows 7 on this VMware PC has been successfully completed. And here I'm going to change the resolution of of this VMware. Yeah, but here you can see it's still not displaying the full mode. You click on the okay, and here the next step, we have to install a driver for the VMware to make it displaying the full screen of the window, and we have to install the VMware tool setup. Okay, it will take some time to copy the file and install it on your PC. Okay, and after you install this tool to this VMware PC, it will automatically install the driver for the window. Yeah, and of course it will, after install successfully, it will need to restart the Windows PC, and after it restarts successfully and come back to the window, the resolution of the window will be displaying fully. Okay, we need to wait some seconds to make it apply the change. Here, so you see here the desktop of this Windows 7 had been displaying fully. Okay, and now the issue for displaying the issue for had been resolved. Okay, and now we have the Windows 7 with the full screen, and we are able to use it for working now. Okay, very good. And now you can do take a look into the menus of the software. Click on the setting, and you can do the resettings for some of the configuration for the hardware. And there are some tab, VM, view, edit, and file menus. Okay, and you can play it later on. Very good. It seems we have finished the installation of the Windows 7 on the VMware tool, and also finished the configuration for displaying the full screen on this PC. Okay, I'm trying to restart it again one more time too, and after that we will check it and make it work. I need to make sure it works fine before we end this video. Okay, it's still fine, and for now you are able to use this PC for working or something like that. Okay, so now I will try to change the desktop image. Yeah, it looks very nice. do some job change with the taskbar. Okay, I like this. Okay, so I think I will end the video for now. It is too long, and I hope this video will helpful for you. And after you finish this video, you know how to install the Windows 7 on the VMware tool. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.